got a story I did back at the ranch. I used to have some goats, you see. Now, with those goddamn goats, I learned how to do my thing. I grabbed those motherfucking goats and I did my thing with those things. That's how I learned how to have sex, you know what I'm saying? I grabbed the goddamn goats and I did ones, I can't two, can't three, can't four. That's what I did, and then I get in back in my truck and I showed them a good time. You know why? Because I'm a good cowboy. That's what I do. This is for Cassie Trinita.
Está haciendo algo, no sé qué es lo que me está tocando la pipí. La pipí, me está tocando la pipí. Ay, 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 ay.
Mira,